Let's learn another Chinese slang. I'm stuffed. To do so, we need to learn a new Chinese character. Please note that this character alone doesn't mean stuffed. But to express I'm stuffed, it's used in the slang. So please repeat after me. 撑撑撑撑 Thus, I'm stuffed is 撑死我了 Please repeat after me. 撑死我了撑死我了撑死我了 Now a little bit faster. 撑死我了撑死我了撑死我了 In this exercise, I'm full was replaced by I'm stuffed. I'm gonna read it slowly. Please repeat after me. 饿死我了我想吃一个苹果一条香蕉一些葡萄一些西瓜一个橙子一个桃子和一些草莓好吃撑死我了 Now let's do it a little bit faster 饿死我了我想吃一个苹果一条香蕉一些葡萄一些西瓜一个橙子一个桃子和一些草莓好吃撑死我了 I'm gonna read it all together. Please listen carefully. 饿死我了我想吃一个苹果一条香蕉一些葡萄一些西瓜一个橙子一个桃子和一些草莓好吃撑死我了 Now it's your turn. Please feel free to listen to this recording a few times until you can master it. Remember to practice with emotion. Have fun. Well done. 好样的 See you tomorrow. 明天见 I've spent lots of time, energy, and effort into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina. No boring grammar. Or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.